So by showing him, then he learns. Wow. Yes, now what happens when there's 3? You can't hold 3, can you? What happens? You have to do some decision making. You can't hold 3.
You can hold that.
It's tricky, there's 3, isn't there? Okay, so let's have a think again about any more questions we had about safety. Think about what we talked about last week.
If you're like changing his nappy and he hasn't rolled yet, what about if he rolls? Like, how do you know when he's going to roll?
You can see he's going like he'll arch his back, but we don't even change him on the change table anymore because he's so wild that we just change him on the floor.
Okay, so when you say wild,
He's strong and he throws a tantrum and
okay, he says, I don't really like this, I don't want to be here, I want to be off playing and moving and learning. Okay, so you just put him on the floor now to change him. And does he still squirm? But it's easier.
Yes, and then I'll need to call in some reinforcements.
Listen to this. Listen. Call in the reinforcements. Yeah. And who gets called in?
My husband.
And what does he do so that you can change the nappy
He will
easily?
try and distract him or sometimes have to pin him down.
Okay, so Dad tries to do something so that he'll keep still just for a minute to have those nappies changed. Has anyone noticed the ads on TV for when they're actually walking? And I've seen some ads.
I've seen it.
What are you finding there?
I've seen it.
I've seen some ads where you can actually change the nappies kind of while they're on the go now, and so it's easier just to pull them up and everything. So maybe that's what Adam's going to have when he gets walking. Okay, so let's find another toy. Oh, we can watch, see if he pulls himself up on the chair, but we'll hold it so it's not going to. Look at that. Look how strong he is.
I can't see that.
He says, oh, I want to get up on the chair, but it's a long way up.
See what he does.
The dining room chair blocking the kitchen, and there's a box of nappies that we just bought when we came back from the shops there, and he climbed on the box to climb on the chair. So he understands how he wants to get somewhere.
Right. Wow, so many changes.
Mrs. Mulder,
Yes.
can we put Adam up in the chair so
It's probably a little bit high and he could fall, so we have to think about the safety there. What's this toy? Do you remember this one? Do you remember that one with the mirror? Can you see yourself in there, Adam? In the mirror? See how he uses this differently from the beginning. He may not even have the interest there now, you see, because he's on the move. What's he wanting to do? Yes. He might remember her. There's more, probably a few more interesting things than what this one can do now. Do you remember Melody?
Melody. I hope you do.
Do you remember her?
I wonder if the hat could fit on Adam.
Look at that smile. Yep, Mummy's there. Do you remember Melody?
Yes.
Is she there?
Put it on canvas.
Look who's here, Adam. No, now you're more interesting. So lots of things are interesting him. He's learning constantly.
Box.
Okay, so let's turn him around. We want to keep him away from anything safe, anything unsafe. That's it. Anything safe, yeah. Okay, Weston. Shh, 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 shh. Look, here's Melody at it. You're going to take her hat off. No, not that interesting anymore. Do you want to put the hat on? Do you think he'll laugh if I put the hat on? Does that look funny? It looks funny, doesn't it? Okay. I might just see if he does.
He said it right, you know, Jessica.